Well, hello, welcome. My name is Sherri and we are at my nursery inside one of the greenhouses, and I have a little plant nursery. I specialize in edibles, and that includes the annual vegetables, seasonal annual vegetables, and annual and biennial herbs, as well as perennial herbs, both culinary and medicinal. One of my personal missions is to help bring bitter back into our diet. I kind of call it rewilding our tastes, but radicchio and dandelion and a lot of the wild greens, they have some bitter in it, and bitter is one of those tastes that you can actually feel, because when it's really bitter, you feel it in your jaw, and you feel your salivation, your saliva going, and that's really helpful for digestion. And we really don't have bitters in our Western lives very often, but we miss out. And the more we can get used to the bitters, the more we can accept more of the wild taste, and also leaning towards, as we have more and more issues with climate change and with water supply, we have a lot of weeds that are super edible and super nutritious, like much more nutritious than what we grow. So that's another thing. I do sell a lot of plants that some people call weeds, like the dandelions and the plantains, but they're really valuable in our diets and in the gardens